Lovely people, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today I'm going to make you a quick canned tuna masala, a lovely Indian style curry made in just under 15 minutes. It's rich, it's spiced, and the tuna will stay tender and juicy within the sauce. Let's start cooking. Okay, step number one, the rice. I've got 150 grams of rice and I add some water. So I add water until like one fingertip above. Add a bit of salt. I will bring this to a boil and then simmer it for 10-12 minutes. Okay, now we start making the curry. A bit of sunflower oil, and I've got some lovely lime leaves. Smells so good. Okay, so this is the base, like 4 or 5 lime leaves. And then I slice 1 onion. Add this into the pan. Then we have lovely ginger. It smells so fresh. Then garlic. Okay, the garlic. Here we go. Some spiciness, some extra spiciness, green chili. So I love my curry spicy, so I leave the seeds in. But if you want to have it a bit less spicy, just take them out. Give it a toss. Then half a teaspoon of turmeric, ground coriander seeds, and of course some garam masala. Now time for tomatoes. So not only it will give a bit of juice, but also it will balance all these lovely flavors together. So the base of the curry, then I add the tomatoes. And I just give it a tiny bit of extra water. Give it a toss. Leave this for a simmer, 6 to 8 minutes. And then it's time for our seafood hero, canned tuna. The great thing about tinned fish, the fish is already cooked for you. If you go to your store, you will find tuna in water and in oil. I'm using in water if I add oil, like mayonnaise. But if I make a warm dish like this curry, I'm using tuna in oil. The tuna will stay tender and juicy. And that's what you want. So then we add the tuna. Well, talking about tuna, you need to know that by far the majority of all tuna being caught in the world is done in a non-responsible way, with a lot of bycatch. And that's why you always need to choose for a tuna which is caught by one. Pole and line, you can recognize it on the can together with the certification of the MSC. Perfect. It's time to serve. Some lime zest for some freshness, and some lovely fresh coriander leaves. And I serve it with just a piece of lime. Then some lovely rice, a few drops of lime for some freshness, and then time for a taste. Whoa. It's so good. It's so fresh, it's so pure, it's so rich, it's so warm. All these spices, all these flavors. It's so delicious. And it's done in just under 15 minutes. And guys, if you buy your fish, make sure it's from a sustainable source. So together we can secure fish for the future generations. Thank you for watching. See you next time.